Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to snowball a corner or to do a sew and flip. Depends on what you want to call it. You're going to take your small piece of fabric, wrong sides up, and then draw a line. I'm going to be using a heat erase pen. It just erases with heat. You can get them on Amazon. I got this one on my local quilt shop. I really like this one. I think it works the best from all the ones that I've tried. You just want to do that on all your pieces. And then you want to pin it in place. You don't have to pin it in place, but I do. That way it doesn't shift. And then you want to just sew on the line or just a hair to the right. And then we're going to remove the pins. And before I trim mine, I like to fold it over like this, just so I can make sure that I sewed it right and all the edges are nice. Because if you need to unpick it, this is the best time to do it. Then you want to take your ruler. And then here I'm just lining up my 1/4 inch line with my stitch line. And then you just cut off that corner there and it's done. And then we'll have to take it over to the iron yet. If you like these kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I always set my seams first before I flip it over to iron it. I feel like less chance of it getting all wonky. But as you can see there, that line that I drew completely disappeared after I ironed it. I finger press it before I put the heat on there, just to make sure that there's no lips or folds there. And then it'll just look nicer and cleaner. And there, that's how easy it is. Snowballed corners.